Well, it's been over 2 weeks after the first emergency response took place in Cianjur, and President Joko Widodo visits refugee shelters as the earthquake has left so many damaged neighborhoods. President Widodo has visited Cianjur 3 times to witness the situation, and he spent this Monday morning visiting a few sites where most of refugees are still sheltering themselves under emergency tents. Not only having direct talks with refugees, the president also sent some packages of aid for them. The president ensured how the progress of reconstruction began, while also wanting to ensure that humanitarian aid could reach all earthquake victims in Cianjur. And the president also continued his visit to other parts of Cianjur, where relocations were planned previously. In Sinargali village, where government is to relocate hundreds of families, at least 200 of new houses will begin construction. The houses are designed for adapting to any risk should an earthquake strike again. In Sinargali, the government has opened up 2 hectares of land, developing it for a new neighborhood. It has also planned to build new 600 houses in the Mandi district. The president says over 150 hundreds of houses will be done next year, also saying that the government will help with millions of cash for those whose houses were damaged by the 6.4 earthquake in the last 2 weeks.
Yang pertama, di sini segera dibangun kurang lebih 200 rumah. Contohnya sudah ada, yang rumah anti gempa. Kemudian berikutnya di tempat yang lain, lokasi yang lain akan dibangun 1.600 rumah juga segera dimulai. Sehingga lokasi-lokasi yang berada di senternya gempa, utamanya di Cugenang, itu akan dibagikan ke sini dan ke lokasi yang kedua tadi. Yang lain dibangun di tempat yang sama dan diberi bantuan 50 juta, 25 juta, dan 10 juta.